Hey, Kevin, you're looking pretty lonely there.
I've got nothing to do. I've got nothing to talk about. Wow. Well, no, actually I do. I have something to talk about. You guys, some of you guys really got sharp eyes because you've been seeing a little sign that's on the wall over here, and several of you have written or emailed and asked, hey, what does that mean? What is that all about? And I thought, it's time for a contest. I want to give something away. So the contest is, if you guys can figure out what this means, I'm going to give you a welder. This is a brand new Everlast PowerARC 140 ST. So it's a stick welder and a TIG welder. It's got all the cables that goes with it. It's got a little carrying box to go put it in, and I'll pay the shipping in the lower 48. All you guys got to do is figure that out. Now, of course, it's not brand new. I did use it in a couple of videos, but it's a great little machine, and hell, I'll even sign it if you want me to. Okay, so first prize, that Everlast PowerARC 140 ST welder. That's for guessing everything. You got to get all the words. You got to have the whole phrase. Second place, one of my t-shirts from my Zazzle store. You can pick it. And third prize, a coffee mug from my Zazzle store. That's for the guy who comes up with the funniest answer. Okay? Cool. And we'll put all the links to the Zazzle store down below so you can go see what the prizes are. Okay, and here's a kicker. You only got 1 week to figure this out, guys. I'll give you a clue to get you started, but you only got 1 week. Oh, and you want the clue. That H is has. H-A-S. Has. So put your thinking caps on. Think about what kind of person I am. Whoops. That might have been another clue. And put your comments down below. Good luck. You know, this darn thing's small enough, I think I could actually carry it around in the saddlebag on the motorcycle.